If you have a grocery outlet near you, be sure to stop in and check out their plant and gardening section. Not only do they have great discounts on groceries, they have really good deals on plants, especially around the springtime, where you can get veggie starts for $2.49. And I've had some friends in Oregon say that their plant starts were $1.99. They also do tend to have some decent flowers that are a reasonable cost. They're not as cheap as the vegetable starts, but they're still a pretty good deal in my opinion. Availability does depend on the time of year and your location. I have several different locations really close by to me, and they all tend to have different things. They often seem to have Dr. Earth products like their fertilizers, and I've seen bags of soil and compost before, and you can also get bare root plants, and I've also seen some really high-end tools and plant pots as well. And they do have a little cutesy section of garden decor. I've seen lawn gnomes before, and some also do have tomato cages, which has been really helpful, and this location happened to have hoses. So again, if you've got a grocery outlet near you, definitely stop in and see what deals you can find for your garden.